Yeah, hello friends, this is Sunil Pawar here and I'm back with one more video. In today's video, we'll see the demo call for tomorrow. Tomorrow it is 8th of July and today it is 7th of July. Today only, today night, I am giving a free demo call for tomorrow. Tomorrow it is weekly expiry for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So tomorrow these calls have already been released on my Telegram channel. The calls you can see here, and if you are a old member of my channels, then you know every Thursday I release this type of free demo calls, and this demo call is for tomorrow. So Nifty call 15,900, if process 38.95, then we'll buy call option. Nifty put option 15,850, if crosses 30.83, then we'll buy put option. If call crosses entry price, then buy put. If call crosses entry price, then buy call. If put crosses entry price, then buy put. So these are the basic rules, and the rules we are going to see in detail. I have already shared here. So first, let us see the calls. These calls are released on the Telegram channel. The name of the Telegram channel is Sunil Pawar Best Option Analyst, but if you want to search this channel on Telegram, then you need to type Sunil Pawar Option King. Sunil Pawar Option King, if you type, then you will find this channel and you can join this channel, because here every week you will get the free demo calls, and also you will also find here the performance of my paid services every day. Like today, we have made good profit in Nifty, that is already updated here. So let us see the calls. Nifty call 15,900, if crosses 38.95, then we will buy call. Nifty put 15,850, if crosses 30.83, then we will buy put. Now if you see the current price of Nifty call 15,900, and if you see the current price of Nifty put 15,850, you will find their current price is below the entry prices. Entry price is call, entry price is 38.95, put entry price is 30.83. So if you check the call price, current price, then it will be below 38.95. If you check the current price of put, then it will be below 30.83. So tomorrow in the opening after 9:15, if call crosses the entry price, it means if market goes up, then call will cross the entry price. If market falls down, then put will cross the entry price. So this is basic first rule of entry. Same rule for Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty. Fin Nifty is another index which covers the financial services stocks. So Fin Nifty, just like Nifty and Bank Nifty, which is majorly traded on expiry days. Then we see further rules. Rule number 2, if option opens with little gap up, then wait for given buy level and enter at the level. If option opens gap up and hit the target, then avoid the trade. It means Nifty call 15,900, entry price is 38.95. If it opens around 45, for example, 45, then wait for 39. 38.95 is 39. If it is opening at 45, wait for 39 to come. It will come down to 39, enter there, and then you can wait for the target with the stop loss. Then, but if in this condition, if it opens at 45 and immediately hits the target, then you avoid these trades, and I will give new fresh calls at 10:30 AM tomorrow. Those calls will be live market calls. Third, double the quantity of second trade when stop loss is hit. If call hits stop loss, buy double lots of call or put, whichever activates. Let us say tomorrow trader enters into Nifty call 15,900 at 38.95 and target is not hit, stop loss is hit. In that condition, what the trader will do? In that condition, if stop loss is hit in call option, then trader will exit first. Second, he will wait for put to activate. If put activates, he will enter into put with double quantity. and if put does not activate and call again activates, he will enter into call with double quantity. Same rule for the put. If put activates and does not hit the target and hits the stop loss, exit. Wait for call to activate. If call activates, double quantity. If call does not activate and put again activates, then again double quantity. Rule number 4. If target is hit within 2 hours, then hold trade till 3:20 p.m. with stop loss on cost. For example, Nifty call 15,900 activates at 38.95, hits the target of 53 within 2 hours, then hold the trade with stop loss on cost. Hold till 3:20 p.m. Why we are holding this trade? Because in that condition it can become double, triple, 4 times, 5 times. Rule number 5. If any option call or put which opens above target, then avoid these calls. New calls will be given at 10:30 am tomorrow. So these calls tomorrow, if market opens with a big gap up, then call will open above the target. If market opens with big gap down, then put will open above the target. So in that condition, if these calls open above the target, then only avoid these trades and new fresh calls will be given at 10:30 am. So friends, these are basic rules. So these rules are all about how you will do the trades, how the capital management should be done, and how profit is maximized. So these rules I think you have already seen many times. So these calls, whatever performance comes tomorrow, I will update the performance in the evening. So friends, thanks for watching this video, and do share these channels with all of your friends so that everybody takes benefit of these calls and this knowledge, particularly because these are the live market practicals of option trading, how the option trading should be done, and how we can make profit in option trading. Even market opens with gap up, gap down, market goes up, goes down, still there is a possibility of making profit. So let us check these calls for tomorrow and let us see what happens. Thanks friends, thanks for watching this video and these calls. Do share the channels with all of your friends so that everybody takes benefit. Thanks friends.